Okay, now back again here. Okay, so what I've done it the same as I did with the LCD earlier on with the password and the keypad, and now I want to try with the 1637, MT1637, and the same principle. If you put the wrong password, the red LED goes on. If you put the correct one, the green one goes on. So let's have a look. Oh. So the password is 1234. This is just to test. You can do other things, obviously. Okay, so let's put it on. 1. That's the wrong one. 2. Okay. 999, it's a code for wrong, and 888 is a code for right. So the red light went on. So if you do 1, 2, 3, 4, green light goes on. Number 8, it's correct code. Let's try again. 1, 6, 5, 9, wrong. Okay. Try again. This is clear. This last button is clear. Because if you put 1 here, 2, then I want to clear it, it's clear. 1, 2, 3, 4, correct. Green light is on. Sorry, there is a lot of wire here, but can't do. Try again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Green light on. 1, 4, 6. Red light on. Wrong password. Okay, that's simple, but this other application can be done with this one. You can also put a buzzer. You can put a buzzer, and yeah, this is the code which is on the internet already. So there we are. Great. So the clock, I use pin number, sorry. Yeah, for the LED, 2 pin for the LED and 2 pin I've used. I didn't use I use a different code for the clock number 10 and the diode. Well, it's the clock and the SDA number 10 and 11, pin 10 and 11, instead of pin 5 and 4. Okay, so but you can choose your own pin. I'm sure it shouldn't be a problem. Thank you very much. You have a fantastic weekend. And yeah.